Somewhere right now, in a boardroom you will never sit in, someone is looking at a spreadsheet with your job title on it. Next to it is a number. The percentage of that role's tasks an AI system can already perform cheaper, faster, and without a single day off. This video is that spreadsheet. We pulled data from Oxford University, Goldman Sachs, the World Economic Forum, Gartner, and the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. We are going through 7 jobs closest to full replacement by 2027. Not partial disruption. Not AI will change how you work. Full replacement. Check your own role against this list. Stay honest with yourself about what you find, and stay for the end. Because the pattern connecting all 7 tells you something more useful than any single job title on this list. 1. Number 1 is the job closest to complete elimination of anything on this entire list. The data entry clerk. Oxford University's landmark automation research rated data entry as a 99% automation probability. Not high risk, not at risk. 99%. And the reason becomes obvious the moment you define what the job actually is. Data entry is, by definition, the transfer of information from one format into another. It requires no judgment, no creativity, no human relationship. It requires accuracy and speed. AI systems do both better than any human being at a fraction of the cost. Here's the curiosity gap. How far along is this actually? Further than most people sitting in these seats today realize. AI systems already process over 1,000 documents per hour with an error rate under 0.1%, compared to 2 to 5% for the average human. That is not a projection. That is current capability in 2026, available off the shelf from dozens of vendors for a monthly subscription that costs less than one employee's weekly paycheck. Reports tracking administrative job displacement suggest that 7.5 million data entry and administrative roles could disappear by 2027 as AI tools absorb repetitive office work. Here's the pattern interrupt worth sitting with. This job is not disappearing in a dramatic press release. It is disappearing position by position, quietly, as companies choose not to refill the role when the person currently doing it leaves or retires. No announcement, no warning. Just a vacancy that never gets posted. Average salaries for remaining data entry roles dropped from around $38,000 to $33,000 between 2024 and 2026, as supply of workers exceeded demand for their skills. That wage drop is itself the early signal. When a job category pays less over time instead of more, the market is already pricing in what is coming. Between 65 and 80% of current data entry roles are projected to be eliminated by 2028, with most of the shrinkage happening not through layoffs, but through hiring freezes and natural attrition that companies quietly let run. 2. Telemarketer. Number 2 holds a distinction worth pausing on. Telemarketer carries a 99% automation probability in the Oxford Frey Osborne research, the highest rating of any occupation in the entire study. And unlike data entry, this replacement is not happening quietly. It is already in your pocket. You have almost certainly already spoken to one of these AI systems without knowing it. AI voice agents now handle outbound sales calls, respond to objections in real time using natural language, schedule callbacks, and log every outcome automatically, with no salary, no commission, no sick days, and no emotional toll from being hung up on 300 times before lunch. Companies including Salesforce, whose software sits inside the sales operations of thousands of businesses, have embedded AI voice agents directly into their outbound calling platforms. Here's the curiosity gap. The most human-sounding part of telemarketing, the voice itself, turned out to be the easiest part for AI to replicate. That removed the last protection this job had. In 2025, contact center AI studies found that 36.8% of companies had already laid off an average of 24.1% of their human call center agents after deploying AI systems. That is not a future projection. That is documented, completed workforce reduction. Already happened, already measured, at more than a third of contact center operations that adopted the technology. Here's the pattern interrupt. When the most human-facing part of a job, the actual conversation, becomes automated, the case for keeping any human in the role disappears faster than in almost any other category. The telemarketing job does not partially transform. The core of what it is gets automated, and what remains is so thin it does not support a workforce. The downstream effect compounds this. Every telemarketing job replaced by AI frees up budget that gets immediately reinvested into more AI tools, which accelerates adoption across the industry and reduces the economic case for ever bringing human callers back. 3. Insurance underwriter. Number 3 affects your car insurance, your home coverage, and your life policy, whether you have ever thought about how it gets priced or not. The insurance underwriter. An underwriter evaluates risk. They review your age, health history, driving record, home location, and construction details, then decide whether to offer you coverage, at what price, and with what exclusions. That job description, in its most essential form, is pattern recognition applied to historical data. Here's the curiosity gap. Pattern recognition applied to historical data is precisely what machine learning does better than any human. Faster, with more variables, without fatigue, and without the inconsistency that comes from a human making their 200th decision at the end of a long Thursday. Insurance underwriters carry an 88% automation risk in current research, with 35% of underwriting tasks already handled by AI systems today. But the most striking evidence is not a statistic, it is a company. Lemonade, an AI-first insurance company, built its entire business model around removing human underwriters from the approval process almost completely. A Lemonade home insurance policy can be approved in under 90 seconds from application to binding, with no human ever reviewing the file. The company processes claims in some cases in under 3 seconds. Here's the pattern interrupt. When a startup can underwrite a policy in the time it takes a traditional underwriter to open the application, the question has already moved past, will this happen? It is now, how long before traditional carriers are forced to match the model? The Bureau of Labor Statistics was projecting a decline in underwriting roles well before AI entered the discussion at scale. What AI added was speed. Tasks that might have been automated across a decade are being compressed into 2 or 3 years because the underlying technology is now commercially available as an off-the-shelf subscription, not a custom-built system requiring years of development. What remains for human underwriters are the genuinely unusual, complex commercial risks that do not fit any model. Those cases are real. They are also a small fraction of total underwriting volume, which means a small fraction of today's underwriting workforce. 4. Travel agent. Number 4 is one where many people assume the job is already gone. The reality is more precise than that, and the precision tells you something important about how the final wave of AI replacement actually works. The basic travel agent, the one who books a flight, reserves a hotel room, and sends a confirmation, that role was already replaced. Not primarily by AI, but by Expedia, Booking.com, and Google Flights, which put that capability directly into every smartphone more than a decade ago. Travel agents carry a 70% automation risk from current AI systems, and that number specifically refers to what remained after the first wave of digital disruption already passed through. Here's the curiosity gap. What survived the internet? The parts that required a human. Complex multi-country itineraries, group travel logistics, corporate travel accounts, luxury and cruise packages, relationship-driven clients who preferred talking to a person who knew their preferences. That surviving niche has been the economic foundation of the travel agent profession since roughly 2010. AI is now entering that niche specifically. Modern tools built on large language models can plan a 2-week multi-country itinerary, cross-reference visa requirements, find optimal connection times, identify dining reservations, and produce a formatted travel document from a single conversational prompt in minutes. The kind of work that used to take a skilled human agent several hours of careful research and client communication now takes less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. Here's the pattern interrupt. The niche that survived the internet is now facing AI. The niche that survives AI will be dramatically smaller than what exists today. What remains will be ultra-high-end luxury, expedition, and specialized accessibility travel, where the client relationship, niche expertise, and personal accountability are themselves the product being purchased. That is a defensible market. It is also a fraction of the current workforce calling itself the travel agent industry. 5. HR recruiter. Entry-level screening. Number 5 is perhaps the most ironic job on this list. The HR recruiter. Specifically, the screening function is being replaced by the same AI tools the recruiter previously helped deploy inside the company to screen out candidates applying for other roles. In human resources, 85% of recruitment screening and 90% of benefits administration functions are expected to be automated between 2025 and 2027. Resume review, keyword matching, candidate ranking, and initial interview scheduling. All of that is exactly the high-volume, rule-based, pattern-matching work that AI handles faster and more consistently than any human reviewer working through a stack of applications at the end of a busy day. Here's the curiosity gap. This is not approaching. It is already standard operating procedure at companies you know by name. Amazon uses AI screening tools as the primary filter before any human recruiter sees a resume. LinkedIn's own hiring platform now includes AI-powered candidate ranking and automated outreach. Workday, one of the most widely deployed HR software platforms in the world, explicitly cut 8.5% of its own workforce to reallocate budget toward AI development. And those same AI tools are now sold to thousands of other companies, specifically to reduce their own HR headcount. The company whose software replaces HR jobs used AI to cut its own HR team first. That sequence is not a coincidence. It is a business model. Here's the pattern interrupt. What survives in recruiting is the work that requires genuine judgment and relationship management. Executive search. Specialized technical hiring where deeply understanding the role matters more than scanning keywords. Culture assessment for senior positions. Those are real, defensible functions. But the pipeline screening function, which employs the largest number of people in the recruiting industry and represents most of its entry-level jobs, is in the middle of a transformation that was already largely complete at the largest employers by the end of 2025. 6. Bank teller. Number 6 has been disappearing longer than almost any other job on this list, but the pace just changed in a way that most people outside the banking industry haven't noticed yet. Bank teller jobs are projected to drop 15% between 2023 and 2033, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, meaning over 50,000 positions in the United States could disappear in that window. That projection was made before the current generation of AI customer service tools fully matured. The actual pace of decline is running ahead of it. Here's the curiosity gap. Wall Street banks have announced plans to remove approximately 200,000 jobs over the next 3 to 5 years, specifically targeting entry-level and back-office roles. That number did not come from a research report. It came from the banks themselves. Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan Chase, the largest bank in the United States, said plainly that AI will eliminate jobs inside his own company. HSBC's chief executive announced a restructuring tied to AI that analysts estimated could ultimately affect up to 10% of its global workforce. Citigroup's CEO stated that some roles will simply no longer be required. Here's the pattern interrupt. These are not startups making bold predictions. These are the most cautious, most heavily regulated, most legally scrutinized financial institutions in the world. When a major bank CEO publicly says AI will eliminate jobs at their company, that statement has gone through lawyers, compliance teams, and communications departments. It did not get released carelessly. The bank teller role began declining with the ATM in the 1980s, then accelerated with online banking in the early 2000s, then accelerated again with mobile banking after 2010. Each wave removed the simplest transaction types. What AI is now absorbing are the conversational functions, answering account questions, explaining fees, walking customers through options that kept a human presence in the branch economically justifiable. As those conversations get handled by AI-powered phone systems and in-app assistants, the branch model itself becomes harder to justify at the current staffing level. 7. Medical transcriptionist. Number 7 is one that affects your healthcare directly, because the accuracy of your medical records depends on it. The medical transcriptionist. A medical transcriptionist converts a doctor's spoken dictation into written clinical documentation, patient notes, operative reports, discharge summaries, radiology readings. It is careful, exacting work that requires specialized vocabulary, medical knowledge, and significant attention to detail. It has also been almost completely automated in the field where it was most used. Here's the curiosity gap. Radiology already completed this transition. Most radiologists have not used a human transcriptionist for their reports since approximately 2015. Speech recognition tools took over that specialty more than a decade ago. Every other medical specialty is now following the same path, just 10 years later. Current AI medical transcription systems achieve accuracy rates that match or exceed experienced human transcriptionists for standard clinical vocabulary. AI transcription costs roughly 10 to 50 times less per audio minute than human transcription services, with turnaround measured in seconds rather than hours or days. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 5% decline in medical transcriptionist employment through 2033, but that number was calculated before the current generation of ambient AI scribes, tools that listen to a live patient encounter and generate the full structured clinical note before the patient leaves the exam room, reached commercial maturity. Here's the pattern interrupt. This is not a slow-moving trend. The medical transcription industry has declined steadily since 2020, and the tools driving that decline got dramatically better in 2024 and 2025. What once required a certified human transcriptionist, a 24-hour turnaround window, and $8 to $25 per encounter now happens in real time for a flat monthly fee. What remains for human transcriptionists is the genuinely difficult edge. Complex legal medical documents, unusual accents and speech patterns that AI systems still struggle with, and multi-provider surgical cases requiring specialized oversight. Those cases matter enormously for the patients whose documentation they affect. They are not enough to sustain the workforce at its current size. Let's pull all 7 together quickly and clearly before you go. Number 1. Data entry clerk. 99% automation probability per Oxford Research. AI systems process documents faster and more accurately than humans for a fraction of the cost. Between 65 and 80% of these roles projected gone by 2028, mostly through quiet hiring freezes rather than announced layoffs. Number 2. Telemarketer. Also rated 99% automation probability, the highest of any occupation studied. AI voice agents are already handling calls at scale. More than a third of companies that deployed contact center AI have already cut an average of nearly a quarter of their human agents. Number 3. Insurance underwriter. Pattern recognition on historical data at speed and scale is what machine learning does better than humans. Lemonade underwrites policies in under 90 seconds with no human review. Traditional carriers are under direct competitive pressure to match that model. Number 4. Travel agent. The internet took basic booking. AI is now entering the complex itinerary niche that survived the internet. What remains when AI finishes this wave will be a very small, very specialized fraction of the current workforce. Number 5. Entry-level HR recruiter. 85% of screening functions projected automated by 2027. The company whose software replaces recruiter jobs used AI to cut its own recruiting team first. Number 6. Bank teller. 15% projected decline through 2033 from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. A projection now running ahead of schedule, with major US and global banks publicly announcing plans to remove hundreds of thousands of entry-level and back-office positions in the coming years. Number 7. Medical transcriptionist. Radiology already automated this role a decade ago. The rest of medicine is following, driven by AI scribes that generate complete clinical notes in real time during the patient visit, for a fraction of the cost of a human transcriptionist. The thread running through all 7 is identical to the one we identified in our previous videos. These are not jobs built on human judgment, relationship, physical presence, or legal accountability. They are jobs built on high-volume, repetitive, rule-based processing of information. That category of work is exactly where AI is cheapest, fastest, and most consistent. And it is the category that is being replaced first, fastest, and most completely. If this video helped you see the real shape of the 2027 job market more clearly than any headline could, hit like and subscribe. We track this story every single week with real data from named sources. No speculation, no panic, and no empty reassurance either. Here is my specific question for the comments, and I want a genuine answer. Out of these 7 jobs, which one do you think companies are replacing the fastest while being the most publicly quiet about it? And do you think workers in these roles are getting enough warning, or are they being kept in the dark until the decision is already made? Tell me which job and where you stand on the warning question below.